Welcome, this is Jamb here. 2010 government pass question. Question number 27 says, which of these rulers resisted colonial rule and was deported to Calabar? Which of these rulers resisted colonial rule and was deported to Calabar? This question is coming under what we call nationalism or nationalist movement in in Nigeria. So, and under we have types of nationalism. We have the traditional nationalism or nationalists, traditional nationalists, like the kings. So, and that is where this question is coming from. So, the king that resisted the rule or colonial rule and was deported to Calabar. Option A say Oba Ovorame. Then option B say King Dosumu. Option C say King Jaja, that is Jaja of Opobo. Then King Kosoko of Lagos. So the king that will resist the colonial rule or administration, and then because of that he was deported to Calabar, was King Dosumu, which is option B. So option B is correct because he actually fought against colonial rule in his territory, and because of that act they deported him to Calabar, then put or replace him with a king that will listen to them and then follow their instruction, and so and so. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.